Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this video, I'm going to give an introduction to pointers in C language. Everyone thinking that the pointers concept is a very hard concept. No, this is very easy. But the way you understand the pointers concept, right, that makes sense. Simple one. So what is a variable normally? If you are taking one variable, integer, a equals to 10. I'm just taking one variable. So what a variable stores? Variable always stores value. Here, a will get memory at some location. This is memory location address consider, and the value 10 will be stored. So just like a variable, what pointer variable stores? Pointer variable always stores address. How can we represent the pointer? Simple one. Pointer variable, suppose if it is an integer pointer, here in two ways you can represent. Either you can specify like this, or you can specify like this. So nothing but followed by the data type, star symbol, we can say asterisk, preceded by the variable name. So both are allowed. Anything, right? This is just like recommended declaration. Sir, why it is an integer pointer and what pointer actually stores? If you want to make it pointing to integer data memory location, it should be integer pointer variable. First thing, pointer variable always stores address. Sir, suppose if I want to store this address 2046 here, this location contains what type of data? Integer data. So, this pointer is also integer. If this variable is an integer, this pointer is integer. If this variable is a character, the pointer should be character. Both should match. So, simply, how can we write the code and how can we access? One simple program I'm explaining. Just everything we are writing inside the main method, main function. Here, I'm taking one variable a equals to 10. Yes, 10 will get memory. Next, I'm declaring one pointer variable, integer pointer. Pointer variable is a p. P gets memory. Sir, here what we are storing? Address of a. So you know that what address operator will return? Address operator ampersand always will return the memory location address of specified variable. A address will return. That will come and store into this P. So it start pointing to this location. Then how can we access? Simply, if I am writing like this, printf %d, I am printing a value. So what is a value? 10 will print 10. Next, printf %d, I am printing p value. Sir, what is the p value? See, a holds 10, p holds 2046. It holds 2046. Next, printf, I'm displaying address of a. Same, what is address of a? So that is p only. So same value 2046 will print. Both are same because p is equal to address of a. But printf, whenever we are writing like this, pointer p means p value is a 2046. Pointer p means what? What is the value which is inside that location is called pointer. So that value 10 will print. That is simple thing. Here normal variable always stores value. Pointer variable always stores address. How can you represent the pointer? Using asterisk. In how many ways you can create the pointer variable? Two ways. Followed by the data type, preceded by the variable name, right? Any declaration is allowed, but this is the recommended declaration. Integer pointers points to integer data only. Float pointer points to float data only. Okay, and this is the simple way of displaying the information. Here 2046 is just an address. I have considered 2046, that's why I am printing 2046 here. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.